Replacing your home's windows is one of the best investments you can make, improving energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal all at once. But in Kendall, Florida, where weather conditions range from humid summers to tropical storms, not all window installations are created equal. The difference between a window that lasts decades and one that fails prematurely often comes down to who installs it. Choosing a local window replacement expert isn't just convenient, it's the smartest decision you can make to protect your home, your comfort, and your investment. Here's why local expertise makes all the difference in achieving better results for replacement window installation in Kendall. Understanding Kendall's climate and building conditions. Kendall's tropical climate brings year-round sunshine, heavy rain, and occasional hurricanes. That means your windows need to stand up to heat, moisture, and strong winds, challenges that generic or national contractors may not fully understand. Local window professionals know exactly what works best in this environment. They'll recommend impact-resistant glass that meets Miami-Dade County's strict hurricane standards, moisture-resistant frames made of vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum that won't warp or rot, energy-efficient glazing that blocks UV rays while keeping your home cool. Because they've worked with hundreds of homes in the Kendall area, local experts can help you choose windows designed to perform perfectly in South Florida's unique weather conditions, keeping your home safe, cool, and quiet year-round. Knowledge of local codes and regulations. Home improvement in South Florida often comes with strict building requirements, especially when it comes to window installation. Local contractors are well versed in Miami-Dade County's building codes, including hurricane impact window standards and windborne debris regulations. Hiring someone who already knows the permitting process, inspection requirements, and regional guidelines ensures your project runs smoothly and stays fully compliant. A knowledgeable local installer will handle all the paperwork and certifications for you, so you can have peace of mind knowing your new windows meet every safety standard. Personalized recommendations for every home. No two Kendall homes are exactly alike, from cozy ranch-style houses to modern Mediterranean estates. Local professionals take the time to assess your home's specific design, orientation, and needs before recommending products. They understand factors like sun exposure. South-facing windows may need stronger UV protection. Neighborhood noise. Homes near busy roads may benefit from laminated glass for sound reduction. Architectural style. Matching replacement windows to your home's existing design enhances both value and aesthetics. With their first-hand understanding of local neighborhoods and housing trends, local experts deliver personalized solutions instead of one-size-fits-all recommendations. Superior workmanship and long-term support. Window installation is a precision job. Even the highest quality windows won't perform well if they're not properly installed. Local specialists take pride in their craftsmanship because their reputation depends on satisfied customers right in their own community. They ensure every window is level, airtight, and perfectly sealed, maximizing energy efficiency and minimizing future maintenance. Plus, if you ever have a question or need service later, you're not dealing with a distant call center. Your installer is just a short drive away. That level of accessibility and accountability means you'll always have someone to rely on long after the installation is complete. Supporting the local economy. Choosing a local window installation company also means investing in your community. You're helping support local jobs, small businesses, and neighborhood growth. Local professionals are more likely to build lasting relationships with their customers, focusing on trust and reliability instead of volume sales. When you hire locally, you're not just getting better service, you're strengthening the very community you call home. Better results. You can see and feel. The right replacement windows should do more than look beautiful. They should enhance comfort, lower energy costs, and increase property value. Local Kendall installers understand how to achieve all three. From recommending the most suitable materials to ensuring flawless installation, their expertise delivers superior results you can see and feel every day: brighter rooms, cooler interiors, and lasting protection from Florida's elements. Final thoughts. When it comes to replacement window installation in Kendall, Local experience isn't just an advantage, it's essential. Local experts understand your home's challenges, your neighborhood's requirements, and your comfort priorities better than anyone else. By choosing a trusted Kendall window replacement specialist, you'll gain peace of mind, long-term performance, and a home that looks as beautiful as it feels. Perfectly built for life in South Florida.